Hi YouTube, it's Washing World, and hi YouTube viewers. So today I'm going to show you on how to do the volume setting on your Siemens Total Textile Management E1246 A plus 6 kilogram 1200 spin washing machine. So let's start. So first what you do is you turn the dial to cottons, wait for everything to light up. And then you hold down this button while turning it one more. As you can see, I've got it on 0, so you just turn it one more. So I've got it on 0, so you can just change it. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And the loudest setting. That's for the not the beeping when it's finished. That's for the button press. If you turn it one more here on stains, this is for the beeping at the end. That's 1, 3. That's 4. And then you're done. It does save it, so there's no point. There's no point having to look again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye. I hope that helped you know how to turn off the volume setting and help you. So make sure you like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you next video. Bye.